It's hard to believe this is module number 8 already. So what we're going to do in module 8 is really bring forth everything that you've learned so far. And what you're going to do is share with your classmates within your discussion board an overview of your synthesis paper. And you're going to share information about what you've gained in the area that you're interested in or the topic that impacts your practice, so you all can learn from each other and gain from what you've actually experienced within the course. So your discussion board entails an overview, whether it would be a video or possibly a couple of PowerPoint slides with a voiceover of your synthesis project. So let me know if you have absolutely any questions, and I look forward to hearing about your projects. Take care now. Bye-bye.